Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Treasure NFT. First, you'll need to download the Trust Wallet app onto your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, either create a brand new wallet or import one you already own. Remember, securing your recovery phrase is absolutely crucial. Write it down and keep it somewhere very safe. This initial setup is quick and ensures your digital assets are protected before we proceed. Now, let's connect your Trust Wallet to the Treasure NFT marketplace. Open your Trust Wallet and locate the D-App browser feature, usually found at the bottom. In the browser's search bar, type in the official website address for Treasure NFT. Once the site loads, you'll see a prompt to connect your wallet. Simply approve this connection, and your Trust Wallet will be linked, ready for interaction. With your wallet connected, you can now fully interact with Treasure NFT. You'll be able to view any NFTs you already own directly on the platform. Feel free to browse various collections, discover new digital art, or even consider making a purchase. When you initiate any transaction, like buying or selling an NFT, your Trust Wallet will pop up to ask for your confirmation, ensuring every step is secure. To keep your assets safe, always double-check that you're on the official Treasure NFT website before connecting your wallet. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Remember, your recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Finally, it's a good practice to disconnect your wallet from any D-App when you're finished using it, adding an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.